Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Thursday, September 11, 2025, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes surged higher today, with multiple new records. The S&P 500 index climbed 54.67 points to 6,586.70, marking its fourth straight gain. The Dow 30 index jumped 617.6 points to 46,107.99, while the Nasdaq Composite added 157.1 to 22,043.7. Market breadth was exceptionally strong today. The S&P 500 saw 428 advancers versus just 66 decliners. The Dow had 25 stocks up and 5 down, while the Nasdaq showed nearly 3 ominous, 1 positive breadth. Looking at returns, the Russell 2000 leads with a monthly gain of 9.1%. The Nasdaq shows the strongest yearly performance, up 26.7%, while the S&P 400 Midcap and Dow both gained over 12%. Sectors showed broad strength today. Basic materials led gains, rising 2.1%. Healthcare and Consumer Cyclicals both advanced 1.7%, while real estate broke out of a 4-day consolidation. Among lagging sectors, energy edged lower by 0.22%. Technology added just 0.17% despite hitting new highs, while consumer defensive gained 0.94% but remains in a downtrend. Global markets showed strength today. Chile surged 3.4% to new highs, while China jumped 2.6%. Mexico extended its winning streak to 6 days, gaining 2.2% to reach one-year highs. Year-to-date returns show Poland leading with a 56.2% gain. Mexico and China have both risen over 37%, while Indonesia remains down 4.5% for the year. In tech leaders today, Apple led the pack with a gain of 3.24 to 230.3. Alphabet reached another all-time high at 240.78, extending its very strong upward trend. Meta Platforms broke downward after 3 days of consolidation, while Nvidia maintained its strong positive trend despite a slight dip.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Major cryptocurrencies are showing strength across the board. Bitcoin is at 114,308 with a 324-point gain. Ethereum is rising for a 5th straight day, currently at 4,418. Solana and Dogecoin are both displaying notable upward volatility, with Dogecoin up 2.1%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing broad weakness against major currencies today. The US dollar has weakened to 0.8517 against the euro, while declining 0.0026 against the British pound after breaking downward from 3 days of consolidation. The dollar has retreated 0.32 points versus the yen, and the greenback is experiencing downward volatility against the Aussie dollar, dropping 1.2 cents.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports, written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.